factory of 170. So 170, it can be written as 2 times 85. 2 times 85 means 170. Like as 85, it can be written as 5 times 17. 5 times 17 means 85. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 5 and 17. So we can write 170 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is this 2, this 5 and this 17. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.